everybody, welcome to a brand new episode. So I had something pinned on Google Maps and I'm going to check it. It looks like it's a farmhouse. I don't know what's on land or anything, but we're going to check it out. Might be nothing, might be something, we'll find out. But I think I'm being followed. I'm going to try and sneak round. Oh, I'm in there. There's a load of cars, guys. This is going to be a sneaky one, this. Got the scenery. Stunning. I'm going to go through there. Look at the views, guys. Stunning. I'm going to go this way. I don't think I am being followed, but I'll go this way and have a look. I'm just looking to see if there's anybody here about. I don't want to get caught here. This is looking dodgy. Look at the cars. I'm going nowhere near a farmhouse. I'm going to go this way. I'm staying away from farmhouse. So there's Range Rovers, tractors, Ford Fiesta. Look at that. This is dodgy. I'm gonna go that way. I've got a feeling there's gonna be more cars down there. This is sketchy as fuck. Sorry guys, fucking hell, there's a car there. not this car, is it? There's a car behind there as well. Yeah. Car behind there as well. I don't know what car that is. So I'm just making sure I'm not being followed, guys, because it's sketchy. This does look sketchy. Oh my god. Guys, check this out. Holy shit. Look at that. Wow, that's an old Fiat. This is fucking crazy, guys. Look at the minute. That's fucking mint. Fucking hell, birds. Wow, look at that. Beauty. Stunning. Guys, this is a fucking find, this. Proper find. Absolutely fucking stunning. I love car graveyards. I'm glad I've come. Check that out there. Wow. So I'm going to have to do my reels at the same time, guys. Old VW Polo there. Old Citroen CV6 Club. Look at that, guys, look at the cobwebs. Beautiful. This is like the Mother Nature sanctuary of cars. There's a caravan there. Wow. Wow. Guys. That's a Bedford ambulance. The name of Ford Sierra. Wow. Guys, I'm going to have to get closer without getting seen. Look at that, guys. I'm getting eaten alive by midges. Fucking stunning, guys. Sorry for swearing, but wow, this is a find. The ambulance. Mental. Love this. Old car graveyards, guys. This is fucking crazy. So there's a Ford here. Inside it. It's inside it. Beautiful. Look at how Mother Nature's just claiming it back. All the mosses on it. I need to take some reels. Oh, I think I've just seen some more. Wow. Fucking stunning. There's a car down. Let's try and see that. So guys, it's a bit hard to manoeuvre with a bag on and a tripod. So there's a mini here. An old Ford Sierra. Wow. Look at that. Stunning. A few little bits and bats there, I'm not bothered about that. I love these cars though, these cars are gorgeous. Can't more than it. I just hate someone. I have to be quiet, guys. Just gonna pan round this. So I think I'm going to stop filming, get my camera out, take some pictures, take some B-rolls. Wow guys. Fucking hell. Tell you what, before I go guys, the ambulance. Is there what else down here before I get the fucking thing? See if there's what else down here first. No. So, oh, well done. Oh. Another car here under this. Curious mind and all that. Wow. For the BW. So yeah, that's going to be it for this. So I think I don't want to keep pushing. I don't want to keep pushing it, so I think that's going to be it for this video guys, but fuck me, wow. If you're not subscribed guys, please do subscribe, it does help out the channel. Please smash that like button guys. But thank you for watching this video, but I'm going to have to go take my pictures and some more reels etc. So welcome back guys, that was going to be the end of the video, but wife's joined me and Derek places up now. So we're just going around taking these pictures. I think we're going to try the farmhouse and see if it's abandoned. But what a place guys. What a place. Please smash that like button guys. After I finish filming here, I'm going to start camera again. I'm going to go up to the farmhouse and see if it's abandoned. Hopefully it is, and hopefully it's another banger. So yeah guys, come on, let's go check out this house and I'll find where the wife and Dave is. One last look. What a fucking place, okay. Sorry for swearing, but this is incredible. We're going to go see if we can find them two. We're not getting caught by an angry farmer. Oh, we're over there. 2 secs guys, so there's a car there, buried in. As you can see, a car. Oh, it's an Audi. It's an Audi just doing overgrown by Mother Nature. Nice little sit. I don't think we're going to be doing the house. Where are you going? What, that way? Why don't you go the way I come? It's quicker. Right. No, wait down, come in. Alright, bye. So that's going to be a piece video, guys. Do apologise, we're not going to go check out the house now. We're going to go back to the car and head on to its next location.